Alright guys, it's LSP. It's currently the 12th of February 2019, 23:48 PM GMT time. It's going to be a brief video, quick overview of the dollar, the euro and cable. If you haven't watched the previous videos, just go ahead and watch those for the levels and stuff. It just saves me going through it again. So we've had a nice move outside of this range, for all the reasons we discussed in the previous video, and now we've had a really nice pullback, and I want to see how the 96.35 to 96.25 area trades. So if it does get down there, I want to see what sort of sensitivity we've got down there. Probably drop to a lower time frame to see how the order flow goes, which liquidity pools are raided, which ones are active, which ones are dormant or whatever. And we'll work it out from there, and obviously give us a better indication as to whether or not probably just going to go sideways or sort of grind higher towards 97.53. But what I want to see now is I want to see a nice strong reaction at this level, and we start to eat back into yesterday's price action, which is this day here, this down candle. So I want to see this completely get reversed. If this candle gets reversed, so if we have, however it forms, whether it's a couple of days and then it goes up, or whether it just goes up tomorrow, and just, I want that candle to be negated. If this candle is negated, then I will have all the confidence in the world that we're going to be reaching for 97.50. But again, it's a patience, it's a waiting game. We've just got to wait and see how price reacts at these levels. Euro, we've come nicely into the 113.40 level. You can see the reaction there, straight up, hits equilibrium, stops, pretty much dead. That's not the only reason that price stopped there. There's two other things on the chart which I'll go into at some point, probably over the weekend. If I don't, then somebody send me an email and remind me, because it's quite interesting. I've got so much going on, and it is quite late, so I'm not really sure that I'd have the time now to go through it, which I don't, to be fair. That's why I want to keep this video quite brief. So again, I want to see this candle negated. If we do drive down towards this low and close nice and strong, 112.15 to 112 big figure will be on the cards. It still is. This, for me, we've had a really nice move lower. We've taken out the liquidity here, we've taken the liquidity here, we've eaten into this candle here, we've rebalanced price a little, but I don't believe it's finished. I think it's going to continue going lower. So, excuse me, so we don't need to jump up to the weekly. We know that this was a very nice, strong weekly, weekly range. So we'll see how it goes. And just take a quick look. The last week's weekly range was 147 pips, call it 150. This week so far, 82. Yeah. So I'm just looking at the numbers. So yeah, we had a really nice sort of range last week. So I do think, like I said, I want to see, again, maybe Wednesday's price action, we get a pop-up rejection and then start to kind of drift its way lower. The closer we get to this low, the more confidence I'll have in the 112.15 to 112 big figure. Cable's interesting, very interesting, because what I'm going to do with cable, I'm going to take off all this stuff and I'm going to clean it up, show you some stuff quickly. So this is the line in the sand for me now, right? I don't want to see price get much past this point, and I'm going to go through this quickly because I need to get some sleep. You can probably hear it in my voice, I'm very tired. So 129.25, 129.30, this is the level now that I don't really want price to go back for. I was saying previously that I wanted to see price grind higher and kind of stabilize, and then try and find something to key off of to go long, as a study. But just judging by the way price is behaving and where dollar should be reaching for. You know, and the way that the dollar's formed, I think one of two things is going to happen with cable. Either we're going to continue going low and get a really nice drop, or we're just going to drift sideways. But I don't know. I'm not sure. Something's telling me that it's not going to go up, to be honest. Just based on, you know, the way price action is. You know, if you take a look at the weekly chart, you know, we had a really nice move, and it's just kind of taken 3 or so weeks to kind of negate this previous, one of the previous weeks. This big, nice, strong green candle. So let me check. That's very interesting. I would say if it does gain some serious legs, we may see 127.15 to 127 big figure, maybe. So I'm going to have that on the chart. Everything else has been rebalanced except for a small inefficiency down here. Can't see price going all the way down there at this point. Yeah, no. All right, so sorry, I'm just checking stuff in my head. If it pops, I want to see what it does here at 129.25, 129.30, and then we'll take it from there. But as of right now, there's nothing to do. You know, if I remember, I checked it yesterday. Let me just check the calendar for tomorrow. We've got speakers tomorrow, so I'm not interested in tomorrow. But yeah, not tomorrow. Sorry, I had speakers today. Wednesday, tomorrow during London, we have some good news for cable pound. So there may be a trade study for tomorrow. Sorry, I'm just reading the thing. Maybe a trade study for tomorrow. So I'm going to get up tomorrow, obviously normal time for London Open, and then I'll see what's a shaking. All right, guys. So hope the video finds everybody well. I apologise for the drowsy talk. I am tired, and then I'll catch up with you guys at some point mid-afternoon tomorrow, if all goes well. All right, guys. Take care. I'll speak to you soon.